Hey everyone, Tony Mello Properties team. Hope you're doing well. Doing a open house today over at 144, unit number 24, Taunton, Mass. The condo that is going for $250, and we are set to open here at 11 o'clock in the morning, which is coming soon. That's why I'm quickly going to do this video. It is a 2-bedroom and 1-bathroom, second floor condo. Condo fee is $417, and I can send you this listing because this is not focusing, so no problem there. Just send me a message and I will send you a listing to get more of these details. So let me quickly show you this condo. We'll start possibly outside. We got deck out here. Oh, doors on that side. All right. So, Canterbury Village condominiums. Parking is going to be right over here. There's a bunch of visitor spots out in that direction, centered in between these buildings. Pool in the summertime, part of the HOA fee. Walk in through that door into a living room area. All right. Closet, entry door. Living room out of, kitchen into, stainless steel appliances. Let's check out this closet here. Close that. Pantry. Alright. Broom closet. Bedroom number 1. You can see all those V's. Maybe not see it. The V's are visitors, so there's a ton of visitor spots. Basically, the entire row all the way across, and then the middle over there. Trash down through there. Bedroom. 1 bedroom. We'll do bathroom on the way. Bathroom in between the 2 bedrooms. And bedroom number 2. I would imagine closet, just like the one in the other room, right there. So let's go back to the listing. Let me see if I can, even if you can't see it, I'll review it as best as I can to give you more or less a overview of the listing. So 144 Hart Street, unit number 24, Taunton, Mass. Going for $250. Open house today, the 3rd. From 11 to 1 o'clock, and then again tomorrow, Sunday, from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock. All right, so 2 bedrooms, 1 full bathroom, 940 square feet, $417. Monthly is the HOA fee, which includes water, sewer, master insurance, the swimming pool that you saw, laundry facilities down in the basement, exterior maintenance, road maintenance, landscaping, snow removal, extra storage. There is a unit down there, locked storage, that is exclusive to the unit. Trash, reserve funds, management fee, additional parking spaces, so that's probably the visitors. What else is important in here? 1987 is when it was built or converted. Natural gas, professional offsite management, which I did get in touch with the man yesterday, and he's scheduled to get us some paperwork soon as far as budget, last year's budget, the master insurance, and just documents for the condo. Pets allowed, yes, with restrictions. See remarks. So get in touch with the the property manager, and it goes through the board, and there's a process to allow pets here, but it is possible. City water restrictions: rentals. You can't have rentals here, so no investors. This is pretty much for people to live in. And intercom out front, that works. Everything's included except seller's personal property. So if you have any questions, give me a call, 508-369-9755, 508-369-9755. If you want more information on the open houses, I'm not sure if this will work, but I'll try it anyways. You can maybe scan that. I know it looks as if it's very unfocused. So I will be here February 3rd and 4th, Saturday, Sunday, for an open house. Give me a call and I'll help you out. 508-369-9755. If you have an agent, that's fine. Bring the agent. If the agent can't come, that's also fine. Come anyways. If you don't have an agent, that's definitely not a problem. I'll help you, show you the place. And if you don't have a pre-approval, we'll have to work on that, but I can help you with that also. So no worries across the board. Just give me a call and we'll take it from there. See ya. 508-369-9755. Tony Mello Properties team. 144 Hart Street, Taunton, unit number 24. Come take a look.